Welcome back to Maryville College. Today we're going to be looking at conditioned and possibly evolutionary taste preferences by color. So what we've done is we prepared a bunch of Rice Krispie treats, all with various colors, as you can see with food dye. So what we're going to do in just a second is bring in a bunch of people from around Sutton and see what they think.
So let's invite some people to help us gather data. During data collection, our participants were instructed to answer two questions. First, after just simply observing the Rice Krispie treats, they needed to rank them in the order that they would eat them, first being the one they would consume first, and sixth being the last. Second, they were asked to consume each of the Rice Krispie treats and rank them based on their taste. Participants were not aware that all of the Rice Krispie treats tasted the same. After all the data was gathered, any first place ranking was given 5 points, second place 4 points, and so on, with sixth place receiving 0 points. In order to analyze the data, we then used a one-way ANOVA with Fisher's post hoc test.
Here are our results for the visual test. The majority of people would eat normal Rice Krispie treats, represented as tan. Along with normal, red treats were also significantly more preferred. In third place was green, and coming in last with significantly less visual preference was black. A similar pattern was also seen in taste preferences. The only exception was a slight increase in preference for green. Again, individuals rated black significantly lower as tasting the worst of any option.
While we did have a limited sample size of about 30 individuals, we did have some interesting findings. We saw evidence for conditioned or learned preferences as people preferred the normal Rice Krispie treats.
But we also saw evidence for a possible evolutionary underpinned response. Red and green treats, possibly representing a genetic preference for meat and vegetation, were rated very highly, whereas black treats, possibly representing rotten organic matter, were rated very low.
So we have seen evidence for both nature, evolutionary preference, and nurture, conditioned preference in our preferences for foods. And we know this because we understand the science of food.